So guys, nag-reply na sa akin yung kausap ko sa Klook. Sabi naman, are still on the way to your hotel. Then it's just 4:36 pa lang naman. I'm still having my coffee. So, andito na guys si Raman. Si Sir Raman. So, ito na yung van namin guys. I'm here na guys. Sakay muna ako guys. I'll settle down muna. I'm here. So siya, like maroon, pink, green, and whatsoever. Siguro may susunduin pa kami ng ibang mga guests. Kasi nga sabi nila, maximum of 10. Hindi ko alam kung ilan talaga. So, let's see kung sino yung ibang mga kasama natin. Pero meron dito isang afam. Siguro, partner niya siguro yung girl dito. May isa pang girl na ayan, doon sa harap, sinaraman, tsaka yung driver. So guys, we're here at the Angkor Wat and we are now validating our tickets.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat.
Walang anuman. At marunong siyang magtagalog guys. Okay, it's very dark. Wala tayong nakikita guys. Sobrang aga pa kasi. It's just 5 a.m. 5:15 ata. 6. Ay, Tagalog po kayo. Taga saan?
Cebu.
Cebu. Ako Bohol. Bisaya po.
Bisaya.
Sus mga Bisaya data. So guys, pasok na kami ngayon sa So, this is the first statue. Parang entrance lang siya. Hindi pa yun to yung pinaka-temple. Parang gate. Pero pa wall.
You want to run down around to
Okay.
take some photo around this area. Yeah, on the left side or the right side. But same time you have to come back here.
Thank you, Raman. See you later. Guys, parang concert dito, guys. Hindi lang nakikita kasi ang dilim, pero parang concert. Yan nyo. Oh. Yan. Daming tao. Waiting for the sunrise. Okay, guys. So, we're still waiting for the sunrise. Wala pa din. Diba? Pero maliwanag na. Ayan, medyo klaro na yung mukha ng mga taong mga walang ligo. Charot. Charot lang. Nang bash. Siyempre, most likely, nilaligo to mga to. Kasi maaga yung tour eh. Ako alas 3 pa lang dahil, ligo na ko dahil. See that? Oh, like zombies. Oh, pa. Ganon. A lot of people from different countries, different nationalities. So guys, may na-meet ako dito na taga Cebu. Si Ariel, and also from Indonesia. So, mga solo travelers kami tatlo, and the other one. Yung kanina sa van, akala ko, mga sila, magkakasama. Ngayon, it turns out na solo travelers din pala sila. Yan, lumiliwanag na. Nakikita na yung mga muta, day. Guys, parang, yun na nga ata yun. Hindi kami sure. Dapat kasi yung tour guide natin andito, no? Para mag-explain man lang na yan na yun. Tingnan mo dahil nagspulasan yung mga tao doon. Guys, squat muna kami dito sa baba. Tingnan mo naman. Nakikigulo kami dito sa gilid. Pero ang ganda ng reflection. Kung nakapaano ako, dahil papunta na ako doon. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda ng ripples ng tubig. Update ko lang kayo. We're still waiting for the sunrise. Pero may liwanag na. Look at that. May liwanag na. So, hindi kami makasingit dito kasi sobrang dami ng mga tao. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga tao. Sila na yung attraction natin. Tapos parang may doon. May putik, something, guys. Ayan, iba't ibang lahi. Kita niyo ba? Diba? Iba't ibang amoy. Charot. Pero ang lamig-lamig dito, guys. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalamig dito sa area na to ng Siem Reap. Hello! Did you get a good shot? Is this a fish pond?
This is like a lake, right?
Lake? Ito na yung tour guide namin, si Sir Ramen. Sir Ramen is here.
Welcome, Angkor Wat.
Yes, Angkor Wat, sunrise. We're missing two.
Yeah, you see.
The sunrise is that's it.
That's right. It's just, the sun has come out. It's really bright. It's not really easy to see.
Selfie today.
See, selfie today. With ramen. Come on, join us. So guys, Guys, scam kami. Charot. Nag-picture taking kami ng malalaan doon banda. Bayad kami ng 500 baht. Lahat na ng pictures. Okay.
Finish.
Finish already. We're scammed already.
You got scammed.
Ayan. Oh, sunrise pa kamo. Oh, ayan. Oh. Oh. So, ito yung sunrise, guys. Angkor Wat. Sila siguro yung lumang hagdan, oh. Yung nasa ilalim. Or hindi na siya safe na daanan. Kaya naggumawa sila ng parang kahoy na hagdanan. Here. Ayan. Paakyat na tayo. Napakalaki pala ng Angkor Wat, guys. Oh, napakalawak niya, oh. Sobrang laki. Ang lawak. There. So, ito na yung pinaka-entrance ng temple. So, guys, Angkor Wat is the largest na temple sa buong mundo, I think. Ayan. So, dito, meron din doon. Doon. Dito sa gitna. Kasi, ito yung nakita ko sa na meron sa center. Hindi mo sa swimming pool, sa ba? Oh. Ayun, so yan pala. Ang lamig dito, day. So cold here, no? Okay. So there's the main temple, yung pinakatuktok na nakikita natin. Yan yun.
Solisto dancer. 1,000. We got the also 800 of them, a different hairstyle, a different of the gesture as well.
Okay.
Some of them they smiling faces, some of them are not, and the decoration of the hat trick are different from one to the other. Some of them also is good after the still better condition. Some of them are not really because much more decay erosion by the weather by rain as well. On this part here, we got the Apsara, the nymph. Solisto dancer.
Amazing, no? Diba?
Structure.
Dito sila nagpe-pray. Ang galing ng construction. Imagine how many years, century na ginawa to. Pero ang tibay, no? Pero kakaiba yung mga hagdanan nila. Napaka-steep yung hagdanan nila before, ha? Oo. Dahil palit og suka dito sa kuan. O nga na, dahil. Palit og suka. O, kat-kat ka dito sa ni mo. Hey, Angkor Wat. So that's the Angkor Wat, guys. Punta muna ako sa likod, guys. Iwan ko muna sila para makita natin kung ano itsura. Ayan, oh. So, mahawakan nga natin. Pwede naman siguro mahawakan. I think it's wood. Hindi. Hindi siya kahoy, guys. Kala ko wood, eh. Yung carvings, hindi siya wood. Ano siya? It's a semento. So, ito yung hagdanan, paakyat. Pakataas. So, ito hindi ginagamit. Yung hagdanan na to. Do not enter. So, the other one is working. Sabi nila peak season daw talaga pag November, December dito sa Angkor Wat. Kaya sobrang daming tao. Ito ata yung mga ka-hostel namin eh. Ito sila. Wait lang.
Meeting you at the corner.
Parang ayoko umakyat. Taas eh. Ay. Pasigaw si ating. Ayun, sobrang taas. There. Ano pa elevator dito? So may pila. So before ka umakyat, pipila ka dito. Parang matibay naman yung hagdanan. I think we can do it. We're going upstairs. It's a steep one, but we'll do it. Okay? Look at that, guys. It is so huge. It's so high. Nakikipila ako dito. Hindi ko kilala. O diba guys? Nakiki-affirm ako dito. Ako lang mag-isa. Pero mga affirm yung mga kasama ko dito, guys. Kahiya slide. Char. Andun sila sa dulo o sa likod. Sa may likod na part. Andun sila. Ito ako sa mga affirm. Okay, nakiki-affirm. Na-outcast ako dito, guys, ha. Ang ingay naman ni Mother. Mother, mga Rosita. Okay. So, two-way pala siya. May paakyat, may pababa. Okay. Yung iba pababa. Nabilisan nyo. Mamadali tayo. for today's
So the
video?
coffee also just 15 between 15 minute to 15 to 20 minutes only.
Okay, it's very
Just
quick
walking
there.
around, yeah, just
Okay,
walk
okay.
around there.
Ayan si Ariel. O, diba? Nasigit si Ariel. Mekos tayo for today's video, guys. Okay. Okay. 15 minutes. Okay. 15. Kanina 30, day. Ngayon, binabaan ni Kuya ng 15 minutes. Tatakbo na. So, how's the experience, Ariel? So far. How's the experience of the photo shoot?
It was good. It was scam.
Photoshoot talaga hinunta namin.
Our iPhones is way more better.
So guys, bawal yung hat, ganyan. Bawal mag-hat. Hello! Di ba? Napaka-friendly. Huy, ang tarik, day. Ang tarik ng ano, day. It's very steep, guys. Akala lang namin na madali lang. Pero ang tarik pala. So, let it be. Ayan guys, paakyat na kami ngayon. Diyos ko, pag ako nalaglag dito sa kaka-vlog ko guys, alam nyo na ha, slowly but surely tayo, patagilid ng peg natin, patagilid, yung parang Miss Universe lang dahil, patagilid, ganyan. Uy, Diyos ko Lord. Ayoko tumingin sa baba dahil, oh, afam is real dahil. Parang puro puwet ng afam yung nakikita ng camera ko dahil. There's a resting place there. Okay. And then let's continue. Ang bilis lang pala. Akala ko naman, ano. Guys, ang bilis lang pala, guys. Pero, guys, kabikaka na. Woo! We did it, guys! We did it! Ayan. So, isang ikot lang siguro dito, no? Ah, okay. There's another one na parang, yung parang swimming pool na effect dito. Kasi it's a praying area nila to eh. Kaya ganyan, sorry. Kaya ganyan yung itsura. Okay. So ito yung mga kasamahan namin sa hostel. Ito mga afam na to. Pero hindi kami friends. We're not friends. Ito mga Espanyol, mga Meksikano ata ito. Mga ingay-ingay. Huh? Ang lakas ng mga boses ng mga titas of Manila na. Titas of Mexico. So there's another swimming pool effect here. There you go. Here. There. Ayan, oh. Ayan, di ba? See that? There. Okay. Pilgrimage ata itong pinasok namin, guys. Hingal, ha? Guys, mahal to tour na to. 1,000 yung with ano ha, yung sa Klook, tapos yung $37 or about 2,000 pesos naman yung pass dito sa mga temples. So kailangan sulit-sulitin natin itong tour na to, guys. Okay, so if you are going to look down here, makikita natin yung saan tayo nag-photoshoot kanina ng Malalaan. Over there, so it's like a balcony or something. So there. You can see the lake. Doon tayo nag-photoshoot, guys. Oh, doon. At yun yung entrance nila. Doon naman tayo nag-rumampa. Doon. Over there. There. That's the entrance. And then sa loob ng temple, may mga parang inaayos pa ata nila. I'm not sure kung anong gagawin nila dyan. Baka gusto nila i-restore lang kung ano yung mga nasira before. Ay. Oh, there's a Buddha here. Look, guys. Here's a Buddha. Okay, I touch it. It's dirty. It's dusty. There's another swimming pool here. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan sa ano na yan, guys. Yung parang pababa ka. Swimming pool yung tawag ko, di ba? Okay, mag-comment kayo kung anong tawag dyan. And we're moving forward. We are on the last hallway. Okay. So guys, bawal dito na hindi naka long pants. Kaya sabi nila you should cover your knees and your shoulders daw. Kaya tingnan mo si ate girl, siguro naka-short yan si ate girl. Parang nag-rent na lang siya ng parang palda sa baba para makapasok siya. There's something over here in the center. Pinaka-center dun sa apat na swimming pool na minention ko kanina. And then there's a Buddha over there na nakasuot din ng orange, yellow, orange something. Ah, ito yung incense. May dito pala yung tirik-tirik and send something. Pero baka may bayad pag kumuha tayo, kaya wag na lang. Mag-pray na lang tayo for guidance. Pero tignan yung mga Buddha dito, guys. Walang mga ulo. They're headless. See that? I'm not sure why, but there's no head. Okay, we're going forward to the last hallway. We are heading to the exit now. There's another queue here. Going downwards. So it's another challenging part to go downwards kasi apaka-steep talaga ng hagdan na to. Ayan. So do not touch the sculpture. Is this a sculpture? Parang halos wala nang natira. Pero ayun. Parang very ruins na lang talaga siya. No? Heading to the exit now. Pila pa guys. Pero pag tinulak natin lahat ng mga to, isang segundo lang, nasa baba na tayo na. Charot! May pagtulak. Ayan, mga foreigner, may mga Korean, may mga Mexican. Okay. Guys, hindi ko na alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Pero pababa na tayo. Mangyari po lamang na huwag munang pumunta sa mga palikuran sa mga oras na ito. Tayo ay papalapag na. Ayan. Puro likod ni ate yung nakikita ko. Panatilihin lamang ang ating mga sinturong pangkaligtasan sa mga oras na ito. Tayo ay pababa na sa matarik. Guys, nakakatakot pag dito ka nakatingin. Ang tarik, nanginginig yung tuhod ko. So very slowly. It's better to be slowly but surely. Yan ang nakikita natin dito sa taas. Yung kabuuan ng Angkor Wat. It's very huge talaga guys. As in sobrang laking temple pala talaga nito. Hindi siya basta-basta. So be careful. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung hagdanan? Guys, I'm struggling. It is slowly but surely. Let's get it faster this time. Kasi may mga nakasunod sa atin guys. Ayaw nating mahulog. At pagtawanan tayo na vlog ng vlog tapos nahulog. No? Apaka-steep talaga niya guys. Seriously. This is not a joke. Whew. But I think it's worth it. Maganda naman sa taas. We are able to experience kung ano yung nasa taas ng Angkor Wat. Parang gusto ko ng talunin to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, wala ng araw guys. So it's a little exercise as well ang ginagawa natin. Oh, we did it! Oh my God, we did it! Guys, look how high it is. So, apakadaming kamukha ng ano namin. Parang magkakamukha sila lahat, guys. Here is ramen.
Just place the weight to the side with the other.
Okay. I will sit down. Are we going outside after this?
After this one, we're just walking around
Okay.
one gallery and then we go outside for the
Okay. I will sit down here.
just the
Okay, so how many temples more are
village is one of the other places.
we will
Also,
go there?
got, top room.
Okay.
We got also Terrace Elephant,
Mm.
Timinakas, Royal Palace, Bapun.
Like how many?
One, and also
10?
we got the eight more.
8 more, okay. So guys, sana matapos namin to ng maaga para sakay pa din ako ng 2 p.m. na ano. Alright.
The building also they use as a library. The temple also they not only just the religious construction, but also place for education as well. They have people.
Where's the
come to
library?
The building on the left side.
Ah, okay.
Okay. This is also how they from the other side. And also we go to the back, you're gonna get the beautiful of the picture. Just from the back side, it's much more beautiful than we enforce this gallery after the restoration. It also restored by different country. France, India as well. They're working for restoration of the Angkor Wat temple. You can also now is Germany and the local authority. The story also they're talking about the lives in the hell, earth and paradise. Hell also they describe about 32 levels in hell.
So guys, we are here at the back portion of Angkor Wat and may nagpo-photoshoot dito for prenup, I think. So that's the traditional wedding attire for Cambodians. And see that. And so at our back is the back portion of Angkor Wat. Lalakad kami ngayon dito sa may kalsada, may village ata. Magbe-breakfast daw kami.
It's like a botanical garden.
Yes, correct.
And the trees are tall, guys. So, tingnan mo naman, ang haba ng mga trees nila, Yan. Guys, may ano dito, parang lake siya. So, we are still hiking with the Asian girls. Asian girls. Tawag tayo. Uy, kalamis hangin. Uy, bugnaw kayo. Lamig ng hangin. It's because of the trees around. My God. Such a beauty. Oh guys, we're still hiking at the moment and we're hoping that we can eat breakfast na kasi hungry na guys. It's already 8:12 in the morning. So guys, done na kami mag-trekking. We are here at a restaurant here in Cambodia. So it's called Krosar Khmer Restaurant. Upstairs? Upstairs, okay. So sa taas daw kami. Ay, ang steep din ang hagdanan ha. Parang ano talaga sa Korea, Cambodia yung mas steep na hagdanan. Okay, so we are here. Ayan. Dito kami. Country are you from?
We're from New York,
New York. Oh, but what is your nationality?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I think I want to eat rice. So guys, here's the menu. Here's the menu for breakfast. They have like chicken sandwich. Okay, egg sandwich, scrambled eggs with bread. There's rice. I'll have this one. This fried rice with beef, chicken, seafood, pork. So guys, included na sa tour namin yung breakfast. Yes, to this one.
Order one fried rice with beef.
Yes,
One
beef.
fried rice with
Yes, thank you. And guys, by the way, here's mga kasamahan ko sa tour ngayon. We have some people here from Bangladesh, representing Bangladesh, and then from Indonesia, and then from Korea. Philippines also, Pinay din, like me.
You're from where? America, sorry?
Yes.
Oh, okay. John. Ayan guys, we got to meet new friends from different countries. From New York pala guys, pero yung nationality nila Bangladesh. So guys, tapos kami kumain. Di ba hindi ko na vlog kanina yung pagkain ng ng food. So, sobrang gutom na. And order kami ng coffee. So yung coffee hindi libre to sa hindi to libre sa tour package ng Klook. So kami magbabayad nito. This is like $3 coffee. It's a cappuccino, hot cappuccino. Sarap. So after eating, maybe we are going to a village. Yun sinabi ng tour guide sa amin. And we will be making rice cake, something like that. So we'll update you once we get to the village na after eating. Now we are here at the village. Rice cake. We are going to try to make rice cake, sabi ni Kuya. So here is the rice cake. Okay.
Then they take it in a box.
Oh, it looks so yummy, guys.
Some places around on this spot. The white color is a coconut cream. So the people here, they can use that fish of the meat mixture with the different kind of the ingredient. You get lemongrass, ginger, lamb as well. That they have very common in Cambodia. Also palm sugar. Palm sugar, brown sugar, also cut from the palm tree. So
murag bilo-bilo.
So this fruit they can make a different kind of dish. They don't cook it, they make dessert.
Mochi.
Well.
No.
Sa
Taiwan.
also they can make a dessert.
Is it also rice?
Rice.
Oh, sticky rice. Okay. Ah, here's how they make it. The rice cake. But why is it orange?
This one, the orange is what?
Is it a coloring? Coloring?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Rice flours and palm paste. And also
Yun,
palm sugar,
nagpa-orange.
and also
So there are a lot of palm farm and plantation here in Cambodia.
everywhere around Cambodia.
Okay, great.
15
That one. We don't have that in the Philippines. We only have the coconut, the bigger one.
from part of it because they also
Oh, yun,
want the
oh.
Indian, the South part from India as well. They
Wow.
the whole process about like 7 hours as well.
7 hours?
One
Okay.
step to step also we got soaking the rice, also they grate the rice, also they cook the coconut milk to make a coconut cream, all this coconut cream, yeah. And then they fill up the mixture together here. It's not easy to make it. That's why it's also
Grabe guys, ang lalaki ng mga kawali dito guys. Kaya nyo ba? It's very hot. How much is one box?
10,000 real.
10,000, 100 plus pesos.
Philippines?
Philippines.
Pagkano?
Who is he?
What's that?
Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao! Oh! So Manny Pacquiao has been here guys.
Make cake here.
And he was able to try to make
I'm
a...
here. with
Is
him.
that you? Oh, so our Pacquiao.
Oh my god.
Pacquiao was here and he was able to experience preparing for a rice cake. Great.
boxers.
So guys, Manny Pacquiao. Yeah. Oh, next time. Okay, so we will try the rice cake, guys. Huh? Hold on, little girls. The rice cake. So how was it? Go ahead.
It
Sweet.
has like the coconut milk inside. So it's like melted.
Okay, let's try it.
There is coconut.
Oh, I
Yeah, it's
see. There's a
melted.
filling.
Yeah.
There's a filling of a coconut
It's
inside.
like a pastry.
Guys, so may feeling pala siya sa iloob. So, sa bibingka natin sa Pilipinas, walang feeling sa loob. Eto meron. Parang may coconut milk or ano siya. Yan, oh. No, we have bibingka. It's almost similar. The difference is that there's no filling inside.
Yeah, we do have also. Oh, the name is Bingka in yours?
Bingka. Bibingka. In Indonesia, you also have like this one.
We do, but without the filling.
It's the same.
Yeah. Just this one. Just.
Lami, ang feeling sa milk sa inside. Yongtan. Klongtan. What's the name of this place again, Ramen?
This name then.
Klongtan.
But the place is also product as
Mm.
the owner.
Okay, I'm good. Where's the trash can? It's good. The bibingka of Cambodia. Oh. So guys, our next stop is temple. Basta temple. I'm still with my Asian friends. Asian. So we are going to show our tickets again. My ticket. Can you see the picture? That's the picture of my ticket. It's a QR code. Angkor Pass, Angkor Wat, World Heritage. Okay, it's scanning. So legit siya. Legit po siya guys. Hindi po siya fake kasi nag-scan siya. Okay. Ta Prom Temple. Okay, so guys, this is the Ta Prom Temple. Late 12th century East entrance. So nasa East and we should have bring umbrella dai.
And also we got the top room is name of the temple, late 12th century.
So this is what we're going to expect inside, guys. So we have the Archaeological Survey of India activities. Ayan, ito yung mga expect natin na makikita natin sa loob ng site na ito. Okay, so guys, so we're just still walking along and then may madadaanan kayo dito na tumutugtog, ganyan. Pwede tayo magbigay ng tip or whatsoever, ganyan sa mga locals dito. Continue walking lang tayo, guys. So guys, look at that. It's so nice. Diba? Yung tipong nakikita mo lang sa Harry Potter, mga Lord of the Rings, ganyan. Ito nakikita mo siya actual talaga. So they're putting some like scaffoldings on the windows for
because that's almost like
right. It's almost to collapse, and the bricks are turning into parts already. So guys, we're now getting inside. Hall of Dancers, they die. Okay. So sorry. Ay, this is the famous ano dai. Yung tree. Yung ugat pala niya sa likod, guys. 'Di ba? Di ba? Sana all. Hindi tayo nakikinig sa mga pa-exam ni, sa ano ni Kuya, ha? Pag nag-exam, wala tayong masasagot.
Together or blessing bring more prosperity.
The woman power, mga afam.
Woman is also considered one of the
Tapos giving ba ya, day? Kuan dyan sila, day. Bakasyon to the max.
of the temple. That's why they dance not just a dance to flirt or to attract anyone. Dance to bring
Harry Potter, guys.
happiness.
Sorry. Si Frodo. Harry Potter and Frodo. Diba? You see Frodo? Harry Potter. As I mentioned a while ago, the scene here is like Harry Potter, like the Lord of the Rings. Sorry.
You look like Harry Potter.
You are not the
Thanksgiving.
first.
I thought it's Harry Potter.
And then Rudolph.
The red nose. The red nose.
Stolen. They couldn't move the whole body. You can imagine how many kilograms to carry the body. That's why the head was stolen.
Did they manage to find the one who stole it?
They couldn't find because they didn't know exactly where they
Okay,
stole
let's
to.
stall something.
This is also because they
Diba guys? It's really ruins of the ancient Cambodia. Diba? Cambodia is very rich with culture and history, guys. If there's an examination, I can't answer anything. I'm not top one.
to get the mine. And also they just collect all those.
So going further, guys. Okay. There's another one here. Daming temples, no? Oh, there's a monkey. Oh. Hello, monkey.
he's watching videos.
Watching video.
Dahil. So guys, yun yung ano natin. Isa sa mga relative natin. Diba? Nanonood siya ng YouTube videos. I think gagawa rin siya ng TikTok videos later. Guys, it's so big. Grabe yung mga puno. Tsaka yung mga ugat. It is just so huge. Over here. It's more than 1 century, I think. So, they're putting some braces or brackets to support the structure because it might collapse anytime. Ganun kadami, no? Ganun kadami yung mga structure dito. It's a huge tree. Oh my God.
And then we sell some.
I don't think we can.
So guys, what they just did is a traditional prayer ng mga Cambodian sa mga ano nila, sa mga Buddha nila, ganyan. So, we're moving on to our next destination. So guys, kailangan talaga ng tour guide dito pag nagpunta ka kasi mawawala ka talaga. It's really a maze. Ganon. Guys, nasa likod ko si Jesus, guys. Magpakabait tayo. Kasi Jesus is at my back and I think He's going to save the world. Okay, so lalabas na si Jesus, guys. Yan na siya. Kita niyo ba siya? Oh, this is the famous Tomb Raider scene. The famous Tomb Raider scene, guys. There. Ito pala yun. Yan guys, oh. Diba? Oh, so huge. Okay, so guys, dito pala, may statue dito before. Pero ninakaw. Diba, ang dami magnanakaw. Charot! Yan, oh. Magsawa kayo sa mga ruins ng temple. Ayan. So guys, moving forward ulit tayo. Moving forward. Actually guys, yung Angkor Wat Pass, parang feeling ko, or parang sa tingin ko, sulit na yun kasi ang daming temple sa pupuntahan pala. It's everything na. Hindi naman siya iisang yung Angkor Wat lang talaga. So eto pa. Oh. So parang cave. So there's another one here. Let's exit here. Oh, amazing. It's a wide area here, guys. Diba? Hindi ko na alam kung paano i-describe pa guys yung mga panagsasabi ko. Pero talagang napaka gigantic na mga structures dito. Then, oh, diba? See that? So guys, here's another structure. Yan. Ito na naman. Mas wide yung area na to. Mas marami. O, tingnan mo. Super wide. More structures, more ruins. So let's move forward. Andun na naman si Jesus, guys. Mag-isa si Jesus to. Kita niyo pa si Jesus. Here's a better view of everything.
Let's sleep now. Look at that. Grow not really high. Wind comes.
Like how many years are these trees?
Some of them 300 years. Some of them
300.
400 years.
Oh,
They are not the same. Different type of trees. And different
okay.
age of the tree. Some of them they grow fast. Some of them are not.
That's the fast tree, the hollow tree.
The hollow, yeah. The one is silk cotton, sponge. Yeah. Grow much faster. Very soft
Okay.
wood inside.
So
That's why
guys,
they're
more
also
than
very light, so
300.
not heavy.
Some are 400 years na daw ng mga guys. We will move forward na kasi may mga ibang mga lahi dito ng group of tourists. Okay. So we're moving forward to the next destination. Okay. So may mga ginawa din silang ganyan, oh. Look at that structure. Mini structures. Ayan. So guys, ibang dimension naman to kasi may pa-lake pa sa gilid. Oo, ibang dimension naman to. Ayan, oh. May pa-boardwalk dito, tapos may water. Anaconda. Anaconda scene. Oh, di ba?
That's uncle.
Kasi uncle, di siya palupig na.
I have so,
Lumalaban na siya now.
so many trees already.
Yes. That's a long trekking that we did. Right? So now we are going to the exit part. Guys, so nasa pa-exit na kami ngayon, the opposite side of this entire site, no? So it's the same. Meron din siya parang bahay sa gilid. A small like house where they play music. Oh, there's a CD. What's that? A cricket.
Look at the hole, I guess. right?
That's cricket.
Oh.
That's sick.
Nice cricket.
Last night I saw in the night market they fry them.
In Thailand, there's a lot of like that.
Yes, but I didn't eat them.
I tried last time. It's okay. It's like fried peanuts.
During traveling, I don't eat them.
You don't like exotic food.
No, because like traveling, you still have many places to go,
Mhm.
just in case. I saw also crocodile. I ate in a restaurant.
In Palawan, in the Philippines, crocodile is like chopped
Oh,
and then do fry, sisig.
No. I saw last night on the menu for dinner, so I said, "Are you sure this is crocodile?" Because they have different menu for the body, for the head, and then also for the hand. So I said, "Oh, really? So
You had crocodile?
you did?"
I eat in Palawan, in the Philippines.
What does it taste
There's a sisig crocodile. It's okay. It's just like pork.
Non-halal.
Non-halal. Oh, it's non-halal. Chicken and beef. Chicken and beef.
But in Thailand also I saw crocodile. They made
In Thailand, there's also a lot of dish with crocodiles.
worms also.
A lot of insects. Like
Maybe we ate. We didn't know.
you don't know anymore if it's crocodile or not.
Yan, meow, 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 meow.
You know, siopao. Some others saying that the siopao fillings are made of cat meat.
Wait. You're talking about actual speed? He's a streamer.
Maybe.
Yeah, he's a streamer. No, that was fake. They were messing with
So guys, there's another set of tourists here. Like Koreans, I think. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeong lupa. Annyeong tubig. Oh. So, parang meron siyang arc na structure when you go out or exit, may arc structure siya yan, which is a Buddha head on top of it. Yan. Sa mga Chinese. So they have a flag. We should have bring a flag with us also. Ni hao.
Ni hao ma.
Konnichiwa! Japanese! Konnichiwa! Oh, nakalilito na.
Santa Claus na.
Nalilito na ako sa konnichiwa. Ni hao.
Parang silang
Annyeonghaseyo.
language sa Chinese.
Oh, para silang mga... Oh, this is the exit, guys! Finally, we made it! Whew, we made it, guys! So that's the end of our La Prom Temple tour. See you on the next temple tour, guys. There's a lot pa na itutour natin, ha? So guys, we are here at the parking area. So may isa pang temple na trekking na hindi na kami nag-join kasi napagod na kami. Anyway, the same lang naman yung mga itsura ng mga temple. So I think that's it for today's tour muna, guys, kasi pagoda na. Okay, kasi ngayon, before we end our vlog, we are trying to learn some Cambodian words or yung language nila na tinatawag na Khmer. K-H-M-E-R, Khmer. Like you say hello, you say sir, Sirsuday. 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 That's hello. Hello. Thursday, hello. Thank you is Orkon. Orkon. Prolong ang or. Orkon. Gets nyo ba, guys? Orkon. Orkon. Mahirap pala, guys. Mahirap din yung mga ano nila. So totally, guys, ibang-iba yung nila, language nila sa language ng Thailand. Though magka-border lang sila, no, pero ibang-iba yung Thai tsaka yung Khmer.
Susinay.
Pati yung tono iba din. Like
Correct.
Tawadi ka! Yung mga ganyan, yung parang ganun yung sa Thai. Sa kanila talaga ibang-iba, parang mas matigas eh. So, I think that's it for today, guys, sa aming Angkor Wat tour. They will drop me doon sa terminal ng van papunta sa Bangkok, Thailand. So, I'm going back to Bangkok, Thailand this afternoon at 2 p.m. So, that's it. And I'll see you again on the next one. Doon naman sa vlog natin sa Bangkok, Thailand. Bye!